Have you ever wondered how boring life would be if you only spoke one language? Think of all the opportunities you would have missed and the large spectrum of people you would not be able to communicate with. In this part of the module, you will explore your beliefs and attitudes toward bilingualism. You will compare what you know with some principles drawn from research. You do not have to agree with all these principles. However, after working through the reading, you may change your mind about some of them. You may find that the reading confirms some of your opinions and give you reasons for them. Change in opinion based on evidence is a sign of learning. You might agree that learning an additional language will be much less exciting without storybooks in that language. Every foundation phase teacher needs a collection of inspiring literature in the classroom. Books are expensive, but you can enlarge your personal classroom library by looking for quality children's books in second-hand stores, markets, and feeds and the internet. In preparation for assignments, you need to start looking for and collecting English storybooks for your learners now. This can be a challenge because books are expensive. Some sources of South African children's literature in South African languages are: BiblioNef is an NGO that supplies children's literature to schools for children aged 3 to 18 in all South African's official languages. Sadie, South African Storybook Series, and BookDash. These are two basic approaches to teaching and learning or acquiring a language. As you work through this module, you might realize that you have been using an approach that is more formal and based on rules. You might also think that you used a more meaning-based approach based on social interaction. In each case, you might have decided that there are things you want to add or change about the way you have been teaching language. We will explore these two basic approaches to language acquisition. I hope that this will help you make any changes that you want to make and to understand why you want to make them.